We are pleased to show you the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.